Hello, welcome to BhaaviTaram video channel. Today I'm going to talk about one of the daunting problem most people has in the garden, especially you see the mildew power develops on the leaves as season is getting a little bit dry and heat in the sun, especially in the night, right? They say the dew point and all that. I'm not going to science details, but I'll give you one of the best remedy that you can think of. Okay, let's go and look at the mildew that is happening on squash or cucumber or any other plants. Okay, let's go there and see. So let's go see here. You see the mildew that's happening. This is squash or zucchini plants, right? So the best thing is to overcome or eliminate this. First thing is you got to carefully cut all the leaves that has got mildew, all this happening. And then the next thing is, let me show you. We need a few things, of course. You need gloves, you need a bucket and the scissors to cut all the leaves. Once you are done, what you have to do is take a spray bottle or a pump. 1:5. One is milk, and this says especially the cow's milk is more effective. So 1 pot is milk and the 5 pots water. You mix together, and after cutting all the mildew, the powder one leaves, take out everything and then spray it and leave it alone for a day or two, and you'll start improvement. I have got very good results, so I thought of sharing with you all. So hope you have the same and the trick will work for you. Enjoy your produce and enjoy your organic gardening.